in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Luvme Hair. Today's unit is going by the name of Ultra Natural Slick Back Short Curly Wig. They offer this unit in 8 inches and 10 inches. I received the 10 inch, and you can also get this unit with or without pre-cut lace. I got mine with the lace still attached, but if you do want it pre-cut, I want to say it's about $5 extra. Now this is how this girl is looking straight out of the box, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm like a little bit nervous just because I don't know, I feel like sometimes short curly units can age me a bit. If the curls aren't set right or if the unit isn't shaped right, that's what I feel like kind of like ages me a bit. But it's crazy for me to even say that because like when it comes to a pixie cut, which is a short cut, like I'm gonna choose one every time. Like I just feel like those look so good, but I do kind of low-key feel like those age me a bit too. I don't know, girl. But anywho, this is what the cap construction is looking like for this unit. Comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also has adjustable straps here in the back, and it comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust. On the website, they're calling this a wide T-lace frontal. So you're gonna get about 13 inches going across the front, and then this little like slither right here with the parting space. I wanna say that's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches worth of space on the hairline to like pluck if you choose to pluck your hairline. And then I want to say this is about, I'll say about 6 inches worth of a parting space. Looking at the hairline on this unit, you can tell that this unit has been pre-bleached. They could go in and bleach, well, I could go in because I got it now. I could go in and like bleach the knots just a little bit more, but I'm not going to. And as far as pre-plucking goes for the unit or for the hairline, I would say that the unit has been pre-plucked, but it also could be plucked just a little bit more. The density for this unit is 150% density, and I will say that she does feel like nice and full. Here are the curls up close. They are pretty, but me being me, I'm gonna go in and redefine them. Now I just don't know if I want to go in and redefine them by using a curling iron or if I just want to do like my typical redefining way of like finger coiling it with some mousse. I don't know. Let's see.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Blood in my pen. Better yet, when your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Luvme Hair. I usually like to start with my cons first, and to my surprise, I actually have no cons. On the website, the unit is absolutely beautiful, but I'm not gonna lie, seeing her in person, I was just like, I mean, well, I said it at the beginning of the video, I was a little bit afraid that it was gonna age me. But after putting her on and styling her, like, y'all, this unit is beautiful. The hair is so soft. I'm barely getting any type of shedding. I am getting a few snags like here and there, but it's nothing like really serious. I love the fact that even though this unit is considered like a wide T-part lace front type of unit, you still have plenty of lace space in the front to like go out and create like a personalized hairline. The lace on this unit melted to perfection. Like, come on to get into this hairline real quick. Like, yes. Absolutely yes, Luvme Hair. The parting on this unit is located on the left side. I'm not really utilizing it to its fullest potential, but that's because I didn't really want a super defined part. I just wanted kind of like a little flip over method. Now I know online it's showing like all the hair like pushed back, but I don't know, for me and the way my face is, I don't know, I just feel like the style, oh well, it might look cute with like a little headband or something, I don't know. Okay, wait, hold on. I had to grab a headband just to see. Ooh. Let's see. Maybe not like this. Maybe not this headband. Let's see if we turn it. Okay. It's very messily put on there, but I think this would be cute with the headband. I just need a better headband, and I don't have too many headbands, so I might need to pick some up. Low key, it's giving me a very like 80s vibe, I want to say. I think that's the era I'm thinking of. I don't know. It just gives me like, I don't know, just 80s vibe. This unit is just so pretty to me. Like, I'm currently trying to decide if I want to cut her just a little bit, like maybe right to there. I don't know. I feel like that would look really nice, but at the same time, I like it in its longer form as well, you know? Oh, I wanted to mention this earlier. When I brushed out the unit and it was just like in a fro, I guess you could say, to me, it gave like refreshed, woken up black girl hair. Like, I don't know, it was just really cute to me in that form. Now I will say that whenever I tried to use like the curling iron on it, I really wasn't feeling the curls on it that way. And I mean, maybe because that's not the type of curl I was envisioning for it. Like, I wanted these type of like big fluffy messy type of curls, and I don't know, I felt like that was going to give like too uniform, even if I did like comb it out or finger comb it out. I don't know, it just wasn't given to me. So I feel like the way to style this unit is definitely going to be with some mousse, or not necessarily mousse, I meant to say foam and lotion, but girl, do whatever you want with your unit. Yeah girl, I really don't even know what to say. Like, I'm really surprised at how much I actually like this unit. If you like it as well and you plan on picking her up, go ahead and use my discount code Dotson. That should save you, I want to say, 28% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.